Satnam, I'm YogiCas. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I have a kriya that will keep us youthful and fresh. What today's kriya teaches us is to be more flexible of going with the flow and to break old patterns of thinking. There is nothing more aging than being crystallized in one way of thinking all the time and being very stagnant in that one view. So this kriya helps us to regenerate, it helps us to release old patterns, and it keeps us fresh and youthful. We are working here with our glands and with our pituitary glands. This means that we are working with our Ajna chakra, which is in between our eyes, and it's our third eye point. And we are also working with our pineal gland, which is working with our Sahasrara chakra, the crown chakra on top of the head. This kriya is bringing us into our vitality with our very open mind and broad horizon. Let's bring our palms together and let's start. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Atgure Name, Jugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Jugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Atgure Name, Jugatgure Name, Satgure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Breathe in. Invite your higher self to guide you through this Kundalini practice. And breathe out. Hands on your knees, down to Gian Mudra. This means your index and thumb finger touching. And just allow these mantras to settle into your body. Now we're putting our thumbs inside of our fists and we're closing the fingers around the thumbs, and eyes are rolled up to the third eye. And when we exhale, we're opening our hands. When we inhale, we are closing. And we're gonna do it with a nice strong breath. We're clearing the lungs, we're clearing the sinuses, we're clearing our crystallizations of any denser energies. We're swiping clear all the things that don't need to be here, stuck here. Take a deep inhale. Squeeze your anus and sex organs, pulling this energy up. And exhale, hands down to the knees in Gian Mudra. Index fingers touching thumbs, and just take a moment here. Experience that clearing, cleansing effect. And next we're gonna move on. We're gonna circulate our hands in a fast movement. Eyes are closed and rolled up to the third eye. And just deep breaths here. And we're continually cleansing our body, our every cell, our psychic, our optic nerve. This is corresponding with our Sahasrara chakra on the crown chakra. And move as fast as you can. This is a clearing effect. Just keep going, give it your best efforts. Inhale and exhale. Now we're gonna lift the left leg and we're gonna keep our balance here with eyes slightly open, and we're gonna keep the breath long here and just find your balance. Here our left and right hemispheres of the brain are working together as we keep lifting and gently inhaling and exhaling. Now gently switch sides. Breathe here long and deep. And now exhale, we're bringing that leg down. Now lift your hips high. And support your hips with the hands. Close your eyes. And this is a very good for our Vishuddha, our throat chakra. And just breathe through the nose here and just feel energies moving from the toes all the way up to your Vishuddha chakra, activating, balancing this chakra that allows us to speak our truth and overall is very beneficial to our physical body. It balances hormones, it balances blood circulation. Whenever you're feeling like you lack of energy or you feel like a cold or something is bothering you, then I recommend you do this candle pose. Very good. Now let's roll back down. Come back up to the sitting. And we're gonna put our heels into the rock pose and we're gonna exhale. We're bowing down to the third eye, and when we come up, we inhale. And if you can put the third eye on the ground. If it doesn't reach the ground, that's okay. We are grounding our intuitive self. We are grounding that inner knowing, that intuition, and that inner clearance. Very good. Come up. Come back to the easy pose and just witness here this regeneration, this refreshing energy on every level of your body. And now we're gonna do the cat-cow. We're gonna arch our back and then pull the back reverse side. Chin is coming down and chin is going up. We are now moving the energy to the crown on top of the head. This is our connection to all that is. And this is where we learn and we realize that we are all connected. We are all connected to this divinity and this oneness. And you can just really embody that energy and invite this energy into your life and into your body. And now, just circle your head with your body for a few times here and to the other side. And now stretch your back and look to the sky. And we're gonna do a breath of fire here. Very good. Let's stretch our arms now and make yourself way up. And now find yourself back to easy pose. Good. Now we're gonna work with the pineal gland to our Sahasrara chakra. We're putting our palms together in prayer mudra. Thumbs are locked over and one another. Arms are extended. And we move left and right, left and right. And we're trying to make this a faster movement as well. We're taking that energy from Muladhara chakra, from all the way up to the spine, up to our Ajna, up to our Sahasrara on that crown chakra. Eyes are closed. Eyes are rolled up to the third eye point. Elevate yourself from these denser energies. hands down to the knees in Gian Mudra and stay here for a moment. Be present. I am more than enough. I am worthy. I have more than enough. This time of now is perfect. I am healthy. I am easy. I am always perfect healthy. I am always easy. Everything in my life is easy and flows easily. I am a giver of love. I am a giver of respect. I am a giver of power. All is well. And we're gonna tune out Satnam. Truth is my name. Satnam. Thank you so much for taking this time. I wish you all the best. Bye.